Yeah, so today I'm going to Australia with my mate here, Melvin, and we're going to meet up with Justin in Australia. We're going to shoot some videos, going to detail some cars. It'll be an exciting week. It'll be an exciting week for us. I'll be shooting on how we shoot videos. I'll be shooting on how we shoot videos. No, wait. Yeah, I'll be shooting on how I shoot videos and how we detail cars and also go and eat some kangaroo meat. You know the Air Asia's tagline is called "Now Everyone Can Fly." The actual fact is now everyone needs to pay. I need to pay for my seats. I need to pay for drinks. If I want a blanket, I need to pay $10. But then the truth is, when you have to pay everything, it's still cheaper than a lot of Air Asia.
This is the unit that we are staying at. It's a studio unit. This place has a cool deck, or what they call it. It's pretty wet. I think it was raining last night.
It's raining here in Sydney. Melvin and I are going to get some breakfast. We're going to Bellbird Dining and Bar. But yeah, it's a breakfast place. I think it's about 5 minutes walk.
What's our lucky number? R6. R5.
We got R6 and R3, I think.
Morning. Yeah, villa here, Osren, Australia as well. So, where are we going today?
We are going to work on an Illinois.
Right.
Somewhere about 40 minutes away from here.
You don't even know the place?
No.
Even I know the place. It's called Warumbi. Dude, you're driving, man.
Warumbi, there you go. That was a test. You passed it.
Okay, cool.
You passed.
Right.
Hey, check that out, man. Check that out. What?
没有效果。
拿掉，拿掉。那个是 AA， 100%。
Okay.
Justin is all stressed up.
Method actor. Practicing more script.
Yeah. I think you need to go to what's it called? Acting school.
Yeah.
So this Eleanor is due for its maintenance wash, and what I want to share with you is how we wash the car properly using the right tools, right techniques and products to ensure a safe wash without damaging the paintwork. Stay tuned to find out.
Fantastic.
That's it.
Perfect.
That's it. Done.
Fucking.
Hi guys, I'm with Villa and Melvin in the Vietnamese store, and I ordered a large bowl of pho, and to my surprise, they have black pepper. Yeah, first you got the usual stuff there.
This is pretty good to put as well. Hoisin sauce.
Alright. Hey, oh, hoisin sauce?
Yeah, they got their own chili sauce here, so or satay, I would say.
What?
You guys should put it.
Wait, this is the chili sauce?
Yes, like satay. It's like a satay. Really good, really good.
Alright, chili oil. Wait.
No, it's like satay.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah,
So this goes with the beef. Alright.
Can I get fresh chili? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. So, bean sprouts there. Oh, with that fresh chilies.
Fresh chilies, nice.
Yep, that one's good for you, huh?
No. I go with the chili oil. Oh, like
Yeah, so
satay.
yeah, you just
Yep. Yep, alright, let's eat.
eat.
Hi guys, it's late at night and Justin is making me work overtime. It's 8 p.m. and we're still not done with the, what's this again, E36? 46?
E46.
E46 M3. Well, I think we're gonna be here for the next, I don't know, 2 hours, 4 hours. Alright, but it's okay. Justin says he's gonna buy me dinner for the next whole week. So yeah. Thank you, Justin. So I just found a new technique today. I mean, you learn something new every day, and today is something special for me because it's like something out of the blue. So you know how is it like? It's always like cord over the shoulder, and then sometimes when you polish, the cord just falls down, and you might hit it. So I noticed that if you put a cord between the legs like this, if you polish, and you can just pick it back, so you will never this side. Like, so you can just, you're working here, and so it's very safe, right? You're not afraid of. Right? Not too bad, right? Yeah, but
This is
you gotta be innovative sometimes. Peace. Right, it's day 6 in Australia and we're done shooting our video. Yeah, it's been a long week, but you know what? Check this guy out. You gotta be kidding me! I didn't get it on video just now.
What?
I talked a lot of shit, but I didn't get it on video just now. What the fuck? But
No,
no, okay. Now I'm online. Now I'm on air. Yeah. So it's been. Sorry, Con. I didn't get it on video just now. I could have said the same thing again.
Oh, really?
Is there anything you want to share with the audience here?
Nothing.
You got any tip? Any special tip and tricks?
Watch the Osren video coming out soon. Stay tuned.
And Slav, yeah, Justin.
Slav.
Yeah, Slav.
Okay, Slav.
Like Slav.
Justin's he's gonna hate this job around, I know it. He could have followed us. He maybe would have got the other car.
Oh, you could just park beside your car like that.
Yeah, do the Malaysia style.
Do the Malaysia style. Double parking.
Double parking. Just park here.
Can you? It's
No
like
way, he's Slav.
nice.
Just park right here.
Alright.
Do you know how? I'm Slav.
Alright, we're having DD. Let me get this. Oh man. Oh man. What's this? Juice? Sparkling water?
Lemonade for you guys.
Yeah, cheers.
Come together, guys. Let's come have a look. We'll walk around first.
Done already?
Next seat. important matters are going to get to now.
Uh-huh.
So you guys enjoy your meal. Just want to say that, yeah, I guess thank you for being here to support us.
Yeah, well, welcome.
Videos.
Yep.
Even though you made Justin sweat, but I'm sure it was a good sweat.
Yesterday, you built my confidence.
That's good. I do what I can. Teamwork.
Team player.
No, he's trying to tell me how to do it, jumps in.
Yeah, I'm thinking if I do this right from the start, he's gonna too much pressure. You know what I mean? Better fuck up first.
That's not for the test. I'm set for the test when he fails.
I get that. Very good. And Melvin,
Alright.
we'll stay in touch.
Yeah, stay in touch. What do you got there?
Ribs.
Damn, this thing is huge. Look at my hand.
That's crocodile tongue.
Yeah. Maybe what do you get?
Sirloin.
Loin. Yep, that's huge as well.
Yeah.
250 grams, huh? Alright. Alright, train's here, heading back to Malaysia, heading to the international airport of Sydney, and I'm going back to Malaysia. I'll catch you on my next trip. See ya. Kangaroo steak, kangaroo fillet, herb and garlic, diced kangaroo.